Alright folks, going to do a quick video here on swapping the new Air 2 canopy with the old 3D TPU printed mount. Big thanks again to Betafpv for providing this file for this. It's served me very well. I have yet to break it. I mean, it is TPU printed, so it's been super durable. But it's time to make it a little bit lighter, so let's go ahead and pull this old mount canopy off and swap it with the new Betafpv Air 2 canopy, which is supposed to be a lot lighter. We will throw it on the scale and see how much it weighs in a second. Pull this out. So this is my HDzero race build, and I'd figure I'd lose a little bit of weight with this new canopy. Let's actually discuss what type of improvements they've done to it. Aside from it being supposedly a lot lighter, the material used of this is supposed to be a lot more robust than the original Air canopy. Improvements where it's supposed to help with the breakages that occurs quite often on this side here and these two pegs here. So I will see how they do on the race whoop and see how well it takes crashes. Let's throw these on the scale and see exactly what we're looking at in terms of weight. The Betafpv 3D printed one is 0.74 with little sponge guard here. It helps a lot with the crashes. The Air 2 canopy is 0.52, so 0.2 grams lighter right off the bat, not bad. And this is the HDzero Eco camera that the lens should fit, because this is a 10mm diameter lens on here. Just slide it in. And you'll need a tweezer or a Phillips or flathead to pry this open so it slips in. And it is in. So there is a bit of a cap on there, if you can see. We will check it out and see if that is in view when flying or when it is turned on. So let's grab the screws. This is the screw to secure the lens on here. You can always readjust later, but let's get this on and see what it looks like. Each notch is supposed to represent, is it 10 degrees? So this one here is 15, 25, 35 for racing, and even for freestyle I will do 35-degree camera angle. Okay, almost done. There you have it. Let's plug it in and see what the camera will look like. There we go. So there is a little bit of the cap in view in the top right and left corner. But aside from that, this should be easy to fix. Take a knife and shave off a bit of it up in the top and top here, and it should be good to go. So looking good. we'll take a look at. We'll see this weekend when I have a race and see how durable this canopy is. And that's it.